What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and roll my intro. We are winning! I love doing that, y'all. I love the little edit that I put in the background, too. I hope y'all enjoy that little intro. But how I got my hair this long and what I did over these past 9 years to achieve the length that I achieved. First of all, guys, yes, I did cut my hair before. So if I would have never cut it, it would have been longer than what it is now. I did cut my hair before. This had to happen in like 2020 or 2021. But if I didn't cut my hair, it probably would have been at my stomach right now, or at least at my legs. Guys, I went to the salon and I got my hair retwisted at the tiniest length you could possibly think about. Like I had like the little bitty short dreadlocks, starter dreads. And from there, I kind of just let my hair do what it does. I was covering my hair up at night. I was covering my hair frizziness and stop my dreads from unraveling. I was covering my hair up at night. Every time I seen a dread was coming apart, I used to sit there and just twist it and kind of just make the hair mat together. So and then I also did my own retwist too. Like after my dreads got a little bit longer, I started retwisting my own head because I realized that retwist cost about $100 or $50. Well, at the time when my hair was shorter, a retwist used to be about $60 to $70 on short dreadlocks. But now that they are this long, a retwist is about $100 to $200. So I started retwisting my own dreads because I think it's a scam if you just gonna keep spending money on retwists and your hair gonna keep growing out and you might as well learn to do it yourself, bro. A lot of people be saying that, just learn to do it yourself, bro. Guys, I bleached my hair. I bleached and colored my hair about gazillion times. I had red, I had blue, I had green, I had purple. I did a whole bunch of colors on my hair. And I want y'all to know that when you color your hair, make sure it's something that you want for a very, very long time, because you don't want to damage your hair. You really don't want to damage your dreadlocks, because when you damage your dreadlocks at a certain length, later on down the line, you're going to be able to see the damage that you did to your dreadlocks. And your hair might start breaking off too. So just don't over color your hair and over bleach it too much, because your hair will start falling out. On my 10th year, once the end of this year is over with, my 10th year of having my dreads, I am definitely gonna just retwist, and I'm gonna just keep rocking the same style that I always rock, bro. I did bleach my hair recently. Y'all can see my tips are blonde or brown, blonde, whatever you want to call it. I did bleach my hair recently. I plan on keeping it like, well, I ain't even gonna speak on that. But you can touch your hair and you can feel when your hair feels too rough or brittle. And all you need to do is put water in a spray bottle and just spray your hair. And water goes a long way with moisturizing your hair. You know, we need water, we drink water. So guys, make sure you cover your hair up at night. Make sure you have a scarf or a dreadlock cap. Make sure you covering your hair up at night. Oh, and a part of my dread journey too, I have made my own Congo. As you guys can see, I combined these two dreads together by just taking the new growth and twisting the new growth together with gel and then drying it. So I created a Congo in the front of my head. This is my Congo that I created. I also got other Congos in my head. But yes, guys, this is what 9 years look like if you did snip your hair before. It would have been longer. It would have been down to my stomach or down to my legs. Guys, that's it though. If you got dreadlocks, bro, you know, rock it with happiness, rock it with confidence, because it is one of the best hairstyles you can have, especially being African American. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.